Hi, I'm Amber from the Lulu Girls, and today I'm going to show you a really awesome cleaning product that I just found, and it's called Force of Nature. And the thing that's really awesome about it is that the ingredients in it are just water, salt, and vinegar. So I recently have been reorganizing my house and just trying to make every process more efficient because I was getting really overwhelmed. And so one thing that was hardest for me was cleaning my bathrooms. And I have two little boys. They love spray bottles. They love to help. So I started looking into different products. Like I looked into Norwex, and I had another video about Norwex products. I love them, but the thing that I really love about this, and I actually suggest it even more than Norwex because it's cheaper, way cheaper, and it like really blew my mind how well it could clean. They advertise it as cleaning as well as bleach. And so I actually kind of expected it to bleach things, but it doesn't. It doesn't bleach at all. It just cleans really well. And so, yeah, so I've used it everywhere in my bathroom, every surface. We have wood countertops, so I've used it there because you can't really use chemicals on wood countertops. And I love it because my boys can use it. You can spray it on binkies even. So like if a binky falls on the ground or whatever, you can spray it there and it's not toxic. So they actually even have these like little teeny sprayers that you can like carry around. So perfect for binkies because, yeah, I'm usually the mom that the binky falls on the floor and I put it in my mouth and it's getting kind of gross. You can get this starter kit. So the spray bottle, the base, and this activator bottle, which I'll show you how to use in a minute, and these capsules that are stored back here. That is for $90 on their website right now, but if you sign up for their newsletter, which I did, I haven't gotten any spam, you get a $30 off coupon. So definitely click the link in the video, go straight to their website, and you can sign up for their newsletter to get $30 off. So then that's $60, you know, for this starter kit, which may kind of seem like a lot for cleaners, but once you have this, it's just water with this little packet. 25 packs cost $20. You can just order it on their website, again, through the link below. And so one of these makes a bottle. This bottle can last for up to 2 weeks as far as like the solution goes. I'll talk a little more about it. I have 3 bathrooms in my house. Like one's a half bath, the other 2 have like tub and you know, everything bathroom has. And so last week I used this, almost the whole bottle, probably had that much left. So this could last you up to 2 weeks depending on how much cleaning you need to do. 25 of these little babies for $20. That's less than $1 per bottle, which is crazy because like if you bought a bottle of Lysol to clean your bathroom, it's like, I literally just looked it up on Amazon, it's anywhere from like $7 to $10 for just the spray bottle. So that's a huge price drop. My second selling point, I already talked about it, it cleans really well, and I'll show you a demonstration at the end. It just cleans. Like there was no like, oh, but it doesn't clean this part, whatever. Another cool thing, so I told you I got into Norwex. They have really awesome rugs, and I actually really love their products, but they're super expensive. So you can use this cleaner with any other type of scrubber, whatever you already have. You don't have to buy anything new. So that is really awesome. That can save you a lot of money. My third selling point is I was a little worried about smell. You know, sometimes if you try, like I've cleaned with vinegar before and like it just doesn't smell that great after, you know, your whole house smells like vinegar, which isn't awesome. And I've put essential oils in it, but then I just felt like, especially when I cleaned my countertops, like I just felt like there was oil on it, and they actually suggest that you don't put any essential oils in here. Anyway, so this deodorizes, and it really works. So my half bath that my boys use all the time to go potty, and their friends that come over, and it always just kind of smells, you know, like boys. I've cleaned it a million times, you know, and it always just kind of smells like that. But the first time I used this, no joke, the smell was totally gone. This, when you first use it, it smells a little bit like chlorine, like kind of like a swimming pool, which I actually kind of like because it makes me feel like I'm on vacation. But it goes away after like 2 minutes. They even advertise that you can spray in like your kids' sports bags, which I remember my brother and sister played soccer growing up, and their sports bags smelled disgusting. So you could totally use that for that. So next I'm going to show you how this process all works so you're not scared. It's super easy, pretty fast. So I'll show you that, and then I'm going to show you a little demonstration of it cleaning something. So to make it, you just fill this up with water to this line up at the top. Okay, on the back of this, you have a space for your little packets, so it's kind of nice because then you can't lose them. And you just twist it open, pour it in, then you put it on this part, close the lid, put it on. Press the button up on top, and as you can see, it turns on and starts creating bubbles, and it'll count down how long it's going to take to make it. Okay, so now that the process is done, you just take it off, open the lid, and pour it in your spray bottle. And you're ready to go. So this is the bathroom where my little boys wash their hands a lot. So it's kind of dirty, and I'm just going to use this spray and then a paper towel. Now, normally I don't clean with paper towels, but just to show you that like even something as simple as a paper towel with this solution can just clean it right off. Here we go, spray. And I'm going to wipe it. Doing this one-handed. Perfectly clean. Smells good, smells a little like chlorine, but that will go away in just a couple minutes. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more awesome mom products, make sure you subscribe. And if nobody's told you you're doing a great job, I promise you you're doing a great job. You're doing better than you think. And good luck cleaning your house. It's so hard sometimes.